Today I made my first sale in less than 24 hours.
$9 a month, from 0 to 9 in 2 weeks.
Thank you, Wesley Virgin.
Shout out to Wesley, $1 billion virgin.
Wesley, $1 billion virgin.
This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Let's go! Hey guys, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley Virgin here with the Overnight Millionaire. Listen, I'm about to make you rich. 3 years ago, I created a program by the name of Fat Diminisher, and I've made over millions, actually $30 million. That's the reason why I got this beautiful AP watch here. Hey, no cap, no cap. Hey, and you know what? I'm so grateful to God that I'm in this position to share this with you. I'm in New York City right now with friends, and we're making a bunch of money, but now it's time for you to make the money. And let me tell you how. In the past year, I've created the program called Overnight Millionaire. No, it's not gonna make you rich tomorrow, but it has helped over 100,000 people already to make a bunch of money. But guess what? I've never given it to the masses to promote it. But what I'm gonna do right now on this video is give it to you. All you need to do is click that button below, and I'm gonna give you all the tools, the resources that you need that I'm using today to make hundreds and sometimes 7 figures per month promoting this program. Now listen, some of you guys are veterans. You already clicked the link, you got the videos, you're creating an ad copy, you got the email creatives, great. But listen, I wanna do one more thing for you as well. I'm gonna give you 90% commissions, okay? Yes, 90%. You might say, Wesley, everybody gives 90%. Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna give you one more thing, okay? Because I have your email already, right? If you email me, I'm gonna give you 50% on the back end after you make your first sale, okay? If you make your first sale, even if you have to pull out your credit card and just get the Overnight Millionaire for yourself, I'm gonna give you 90% on the front end. I'm gonna give you 50% on the rebuild. Right now, my rebuild take is 80%, okay? That means if you send 10 people, 8 people will take my rebuild. I'm gonna give you 50% of that profit. I wanna do one more thing, all right? I know I'm crazy, right? You see that, Katia? No cap, I'm not trying to brag. I'm so blessed. Listen, some of you don't know what you're doing. Just do this. Yeah, Wes, that's me. Some of you have never made money online, right? That's you. Some of you don't know what a land or an EPC or a conversion rate is, right? You're brand new to this. I used to be just like you. It took me 7 years to make my first sale, okay? I still remember those moments on my air mattress with pictures on the wall of houses, of cars, and I never made any money. I want to do, and I've created a program for you. It's called the Done For You Services. My team. What if my team did this for you? You sit down, like you're sitting right now, holding your iPhone or watching your laptop, and relax for 72 hours for 1 week, and let me do everything for you. Let me do the landing page for you, okay? Let me do the copy for you, okay? And not just that, let me do the Facebook ad for you, okay? And not just that, let me ensure that you get your first sale. You might say, Wesley, how are you gonna do that? I'm gonna do all this. If I don't, I'm gonna give you all your money back, okay? But I'm gonna do something even more powerful. Say all praises to the Most High. God is the greatest. Listen, I'm gonna do one more thing. I'm gonna give you access to my Facebook picture. Now, what does that mean? I'll spend over $1 million promoting this offer online for 6 months. Now I have millions of dollars of data. I'm gonna give you access to, understand this, no marketer will ever do this. I will. For the first 10 people right below it that sends me a text and say, I want Done For You services, I'm gonna give you access to that, okay? Now, don't think too long, don't think too hard. This is the opportunity. Everything in life happens for a reason. There's a reason why you're here. It's a reason why you're here. All I want you to do is give me a chance, test me out. Within the first month, if not the first 7 days, you'll get your first sale. And once you're making money, everything else is easier. And no, I'm not gonna charge you $750,000 like Russell Brunson. I used to charge $250,000 to do this. But what I'm about to give you is under $1,000, okay? Only for the first people that sees this page, all right? That text me at my personal number below I'm gonna give you access to the Done For You services. Hey, much love. Let's go!
What's up, guys? I want to give a huge shout out to Wesley, $1 billion Virgin, and Ariel at the Done For You services. I'm 21 right now, and I grew up as a foster child in the system where, you know, they program you to not succeed, this and that. But I always knew there was more for me. And I met Wesley, and I will be forever grateful for that. Check this out. I made $7,495 in the past month. All profit. These are the numbers I'm getting weekly, every week, coming into my bank account. These numbers too. Every single day, $700 a day, $400 a day, $400 a day. So if you want to get in this and get the Done For You services and start making some money, contact Wesley and let's go.
I've been through a lot, all right? I've been running my own business for 6 years. And recently I got into a really dark place. You know, I was working 14, 16-hour days. I wasn't seeing my family. I was leaving the house 7 a.m., 6 a.m. in the morning, not getting back till 10 p.m. at night. Hiring, firing, it was just too much. It was taking control of my mind and that was affecting me. And I said, you know, I needed to work on my mind. I needed to work on my spirit because I got real negative. I just got started about 2 weeks ago. I'm in my second week already. And we're already up to, my account is already up to $300 a day. $300 a day. You do the math, what's that? $9,000 a month? From 0 to 9 in 2 weeks. The value that I'm getting, I'm telling you, it's, Wes, you underpriced it, brother. You underpriced it. But I'm glad you did. I'm glad you did, because a lot of people need to hear what you're saying. And a lot of people need need that help, you know, so I personally got a lot from it. Anyway, peace out. You better jump on the train before you get left, all right? Peace.
Hey everybody, it's Cassie Resta, and I just wanted to thank Wesley Virgin. I got my first sale today, and I'm pretty pumped.
Hey guys, my name's Brittany. I haven't had experience with internet marketing since I was a lot younger, and the Done For You services just made it really, really easy, and the team's been really helpful. So thank you so much, guys. I'm really excited.
I would like to extend my gratitude to Team Wesley and the Done For You team in particular. I just want to thank you guys for keeping up with me when I felt frustrated, when I didn't know what to do. You encouraged me. And, you know, once I followed those steps, then it was done. The account was established and the sale began to come in.
I got my first sales this past week. Got 6 sales using the Done For You services. Thanks to Wesley. Big shout out to him and to his team. They are absolutely fantastic.
Just want to give a shout out to Wesley and his team over at Done For You services. I signed up 3 days ago and I was able to get my first conversion ad up yesterday with absolutely no experience, and I was able to make my first sale within 24 hours. Thank you guys so much. They do a great job getting you on track for success, and I can't be any more grateful. Thank you guys so much.
Greetings, my name is João Gouveia. I am from South Portugal, and I'm proud to announce that Wesley Virgin is my mentor. They help you like friends, like brothers, as their own. They allow you to earn money very easily online, teaching you a lot of Facebook techniques, setting up your account, setting up all the details you need to know. You don't need to learn anything. Just follow their guidance and you will have the best results.
I want to give a huge shout out to Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. I joined 4 or 5 days ago and I'm already up to $1,000 profit. Thank you guys. I'm so grateful for you guys. They're absolutely geniuses.
Just be humble, don't get frustrated, and stay the course. All I simply did was follow the steps they provided. I've watched all the videos, I kept myself poised, I've humbled myself and learning that when in life, nothing comes easy. By following the directions, I won't say there was never any hiccups, but I stood the course. Even though it became hard sometimes or I didn't understand a certain part, I just simply waited, or I asked questions, or I was just humbly patient to see what would happen. And I think through doing those process and figuring out the pixels and figuring out just how to do everything was just simply watching the videos until I understood. and just staying consistent, which is the ultimate key. A part of anything you have to do in life is just following the process and sticking it through. It's going to get hard, it's going to get tough, it's going to get slow, but if you constantly just follow the process, it will lead you to success.
And this is amazing, this is unbelievable, because I've tried so many things over the internet, and it's the first time after so many years that I could really have something real. But let me tell you something, guys. This morning, I can't tell you those things are real. I've been doing my meditation every day, 2 times a day, and I've been trying to manifest whatever I want. And what happened this morning, it's one of the things that I manifest. And it happened, and if it can happen to me, it can happen to anybody. If I can do that, anyone else can do it.
I've been running my ads for about 24 hours now, and already got my first sale, so it's just so exciting. So thank you so much. It's just, you get so much support, so much help. The team is so professional, and you get everything you need really to succeed, so it's a no-brainer. Just go and get it.
I was struggling applying for government assistance just a year ago today, and I can't make this up. I was in the office applying for food stamps because I had no other option. I was a single mom. I had no family support. I had no child support coming in. It was just me and my child, and I did not know how to make ends meet. I was getting let off from different jobs. Employers firing me because I had to leave early to go pick up my son from daycare. I'm talking about real bad. And by the grace of God, I crossed paths with Wesley, and I started working with him. And before you know it, I went from making $1,500 a month being a struggling bartender and waitress to making $12K a month in under a year. I cannot make this up. So as you can see, I'm sitting here in my very comfortable queen-size bed from the comfort of my own home. I am stress-free, I am debt-free, I am happy, and I'm content. And this is all because of one incredible, amazing, phenomenal being, Wesley, $1 billion Virgin.
Big thanks to Wesley, Ariella, Parmit, all the team. Most likely an automated system, then it's very easy. You just have to follow the steps, follow them. If you don't understand something, you just have to ask Parmit or Ariella anyway. Somebody of the team, and they will help you straight away. Then, guys, what I want to say is, first of all, believe in yourself. Second, trust the process. Third, enjoy your success.
It's fucking 4 a.m. I feel amazing. All praise to the Most High. I got my first sale. I bought my sale, Cherry. Let's go. I feel amazing.
All praise to the Most High, all praise to the Most High. I'm so thankful. Thank you, Wesley Virgin, for making this all possible. Thank you so much for being here for me. Thank you for all the guidance. Thank you for everybody helping me. Thank you, Malik. Thank you, everybody that put their attention and energy on me, and I appreciate it. Appreciate all the good energy. I'm so grateful. I can feel it. I can taste it in my bones. Get on that now. Make everything happen. Create your reality.